Hello guys, welcome back to Ikskills Africa. So in today's tutorials, we're going to learn how we can create a multiple games in one application using AppCreator24, just using our smartphone. So in our last video, we learned how we can create a simple gaming app with only one app. So we're going to make a multiple gaming app where if a user is not interested in one, a user can switch to other apps to play and enjoy. So before we dive in, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this YouTube channel. So whenever we release a tutorial like this, you'll be the first to be notified. So now what we're going to do now is go to our Chrome browser to log in. If you have not logged in, you can register. So if you have not registered, you can register. So if you're already registered, you can just log in. So what we're going to do now, we're going to type app creator app creator 24. So yeah, here is it. So you can either choose this one. You can either, if you have not signed up, you choose this one. If you have already signed up, you click on sign in. So I've already signed in already, so I'm going to choose my second account. I'm going to click on login. So what we're going to do now, we're going to click over this one here. That's our last the game app we created last week. So what we'll do now is we will go to this section here. Then what we'll do now, we're going to create a home page. We're going to create this. Then we'll now slide down to this card. It's the card here. Let me zoom it out. This one, cards. Then we'll click on it. Then we're going to put home. We're going to type home. So when we type home now, sorry, home, and click on this. Or we'll click on this one, and we're going to put an image. Let's look for something good. Let's look for a good image and we'll put it there. Just a simple design image. Let's go with this one here. So now what we're going to do next here, we are not going to actually save it. Now let's save it first. Let's go and create our games. We'll save it. Saving. So what we're going to do now, we'll do back and we'll now click on save here. We'll save it. So we'll now go back. So we'll now choose this particular up one. So we want to take it up. So we'll take it up. You'll see that this one has already changed. But when we bring it down, we need to save it. So what we want when the user open the app, is going to see the home page. So we're going to click on save. Then we're going to press back. So what we're going to do now, we have already add one game already. So we want to add another game here. So what we're going to do, we're going to click on create section. So we'll go down to this game here. We'll click on this game. So we're going to off this no. So we're going to off this again no. So we're going to before we put this title, let's select game here. Let's choose one another game. Here we have flip knife, we have this pancake. So let's choose this one here. Let's select. So before we select, let's copy the name. So it's the name we're going to help us. Sorry. So let's copy it. Then let's paste it here. Let's delete this view so it won't bring problem. So now, secondly, what we're going to do, we're going to make just like this. Let us leave it. Then we'll now click on save. I'll click on save. Then we'll go back. We'll create another section here. Going to create. You're just going to follow the same process and to do it. So I went and pressed back. Oh Jesus. I'm going to ask another section here. Click on games. Click on, we're going to off this. We're going to click on select. Click on this. Paste this here. I'll go back and click on save. Click on games. Click on this here. Click on this here. Click on this. Let's choose for another game, another interesting game. So the essence of this is to actually make a game that will keep your user, that your user will love to actually play. So click on this. Oh, GIF post. So making a multiple gaming app is very helpful. So when a user come to your app and the user is bored with the other app game, he can choose another one. So we are done with this for, as you can see, we are done with them. So what we're going to do now, we're going to our home page again. So we're going to click on this. So we'll now slide down to the section here, this number 4 section here. What we're going to do now, we're going to put this on card. We're going to put we'll say yes. We're going to put no. Then we'll now put this one, make it to 1. A match widget. We'll say no. Now put yes. Share the center. So what we're going to do now, we're going to type name. I'll put this name here. Then we're going to click on this option here. Click on this option. We'll now click open section, not web. So after open section, we'll now tell us that choose section. So we'll now choose this one. So we'll now click on this create here. So as you can see, it's been created here. So what we're going to do again, we'll create the other sections too. Let's go back, create another section. So we have this. I put this drift post. Now click on section. Now choose this drift post. Now click on create. Now choose input name. Output. So we just have to do the rest. You just have to put this. It's taking me back now. I don't know what's wrong. With this particular stuff. So let's choose another one. Let's choose this one. Still taking me back. I'll just let me just type name and see. Let me type name and see. Let me type game 3. I'll choose section. Okay, choose section 1. I'll choose this city ball. I think yeah, city ball. Okay, let me just write it on here. City ball. I will click on create too. Yes, created. So what we're going to do now, we're going to do the rest. So before that, let's just choose I think the equation solve faster there. Then let's put snack the pancake. So let's click on create. Now what we're going to do now, let's click on save. Now save it. Oh, I forgot something. Let's cross check it to be sure that each game is being connected to their own game. Okay, yeah, this one is okay. I'll click on this and check this to this one too is okay. Sorry. We'll now go on this. We'll check this. and this one is connected to where it's supposed to. We'll now go to this section to and check. Okay, so if you're finding value from this video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and click on the notification bell, so whenever I release a video, you'll be the first to be notified. So what we're going to do now, we're going to click on this download button here. Let's click on download. So now it's load. So we're going to click on download. So it's downloading. That's finished downloading. So I'll click on it. So it is installing. So I'm going to pause the video so the video will not be long. So our app has finished installing. So what we're going to do now, we're going to click on open. Let's see how it's going to look. You see our ads we put on the last video. So if you have not watched our last video, you can click on the description to check the video. So she's showing ads already. Let's cancel this ad. So as you can see, you see our app is looking good. So when a user click this, it's going to take him to the game, or this or this or this. So what we're going to do now, I want to actually expand this, so it will be, you can add 10 so that all this space here will not be there. You can add 10, like 15, 20, depending on what you want. So let me adjust this. Let me add the font type and the rest. So let's get over to, let's get back to. So now what we're going to do, we're going to click on this. So increase the font, don't forget, increase the font. And okay, let's put none here, the background. So what we're going to do now is we're going to click this particular up button here. But before then, let's make it this adopt with, let's put it here. Let's put it here. Let's click on this place here. So this is the font size here. I'm going to add it. Let's leave it at 22. All of them we're going to put at 22, 22, and see. To save it. So to save it. Let's go back. Let's click here, save it. So now what we're going to do, let's minimize back. So here's the game. Click on it. You can see art is showing on our website. Art is showing. So as you can see, we have increased the width here. We have removed that background. So when you add like 10 here, and you click on it, click on it, click on it, and it's going to show. You can add art here. You can, as you can see art is showing, art is showing. So you can add here, art here, art. Wow, this is good. So on our last video, we're going to customize this. We're going to change this one. We're going to put it to look more beautiful than this. This is just the basic on how it's going to look. So the assignment here is, you are going to create something like this here. Create something like this here, and you can join our WhatsApp group and send it to us. If there's any correction, we're here to guide you. So the WhatsApp number you're going to send the assignment will display on the screen. So thank you very much for staying true. And this is the end of our today's tutorial. So if you have not subscribed, please subscribe to this YouTube channel and click on the notification bell, so whenever I release a video, you'll be the first to be notified. It really helps us. So see you on the next video.